Hey guys, the Sydney Trains in New South Wales Training Channel speaking to you. I am here at Central for Central Platform 16 to 23 Part 2. Now this wasn't requested by anybody. Here we have K66 being the front 4 cars and the rear 4 cars being K99. K99 is K1 and K2. I mean K3 and K4, silly. God damn it. Anyway, on platform 18, we have A41. This car here is C3504, which was the last power car of the 2 car K-sets. I think this is a Lincoln Vibe sound service. Perhaps. Just waiting for it to depart. A41, M17 now arrived at platform number, 21, City Circle Service via Museum. The rear 4 cars is M1. M1 is the rear 4 car. M17 and M1 now departing platform 21, City Circle Service via Museum. Oopsies, there we go. Jeez, that's fast. There you go. And on arriving on platform 23, the car via Walleye Creek service is A7. Jeez, it's freaking windy out here. Oopsies, sorry for my finger in the way. Knowing me, I would have done that 10 million times, 10 million other times. A34 now departing platform 19, Glenfield service via Granville. Sorry for the lighting. Oscar on platform 18, Blacktown service via Strathfield. Stopping at... Actually, I don't know what the sets are. I do not know what the sets are, unfortunately. But, yeah. It's good seeing a, Oscar running a Blacktown set. It's a nice one. Next train on platform 19, Oakwood via Stratford service. Okay, Oscar about to depart platform 18, Blacktown service via Parramatta. I think this is my best Central video tour yet. Lots of trains, weekday, H something and H something now departing platform 18, Blacktown service. I don't know what the sets got, guys, I'm sorry. Actually, hang on. This could be, the rear 4 cars is H50. That's all I can tell you. Anyway. We have an AITA arriving to the platform at 21, City Circle Service via Museum. The set is A28. I waved to the driver, whatnot. Rightio guys, it's that time again to wrap up the tour. Just a sec after I find my seat. Here it is, god damn it. There's an Oscar Waratah A33 on platform 17, C Circle Service. Right, I've got to get my seat. Whee. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this tour up now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favorite video. I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now.